Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are having a good day. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we are going to be doing some pulls in Mexico. We're going to the meet spot right now to go meet everyone. And I'm recording this on a GoPro Hero 9. So I don't know if the settings are going to be off or if like the depth of field and all that's going to be off. I'm not sure yet. So hopefully this video turns out well. A couple new mods, well, not really new mod, but we finally have the N gauge zip tied to the vents. I just keep putting in my cup holders and it's getting really annoying. I like to watch my knock and I like to watch my temps and all that stuff, so that's good. And there's one of the bikes right there. So we have 7 other people coming right now. And then we have some bikes, just do some rolls on the highway in Mexico and see how it goes. All right guys, we just got done at the meet spot. We talked to everyone and we're all chill. So I was gonna go record some footage there, but there's some new people that came out and I don't know them and I don't know if they want to be on video or not, and I don't know if their cars want to be on video, so it's just kind of awkward. But now we're gonna go do some runs and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be doing a hit with the Hellcat and then hopefully I can get in with the Lambo and a GT3 RS, so let's see how it goes. Holy crap, my ears, I can't even hear anything. I'm just spin, 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 constant spin. I can just feel it. Holy crap, my ears, I literally can't hear anything. That's insane. What are we doing? What? I'm literally just fucking slipping. I can just feel it. It feels like I'm just like gliding on ice. Fuck, that thing's so loud. My ears are like pulsing. I was like, holy shit. Alright guys, so as you probably saw in the video earlier on, we were racing the Hellcat, and I don't know, like I feel like I should have won that because it was just a stock Hellcat, but I kind of felt like I was like losing power a little bit, and I just kept like basically racing, and then like I went a little bit to catch up, as you guys saw, and then we pulled off the side of the road. They did their runs, and then I went and pulled out to catch up to them. I kind of like checked my driver's side mirror, and I just see like quite a bit of smoke. So I kind of like just think maybe it was like gravel or something, like all like the dust from the gravel. So I kept going. My engine code is just like flickering, and I was like, yeah, there's definitely something wrong. Like I was kind of giving like a little bit of gas, not like too much, maybe like 30%. And I don't know, I just didn't feel right. So I pulled over and I knew something was wrong right away. I checked the end gauge, cylinder 5 misfire, cylinder 8 misfire, and I don't know, like, I have no words. I've literally dumped so much money into this car. Every single thing I've done to this car has been an issue. Like, I got the bumper done. The paint job turned out terrible. It messed up my inner fenders. I had to pay for those to get fixed. The hood, it got painted the wrong color, and then I wanted to get it done for the ceramic coating, so I brought it to someone else. They did it and did a terrible job. I had to get that fixed, and then, like, the wheel was unbalanced and, like, ruined, so I had to get another one ordered. Oh, it's just not been easy. So I'm bringing it to the shop now, and we're gonna drop it off there. They're fitting me in. They have a lot of stuff. Like, the shop's all full, but they said they'd fit me in last minute. Fingers crossed that it is not my engine. I really hope it's not. I'm just hoping it's like spark plugs or like coil packs, or like my cats blew up or something like that, and like my engine's perfectly fine, and hopefully they can fix it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but that's gonna cut it for now. And I don't know if I'm gonna record when I get there and taking it off the flatbed, or what's gonna happen. I don't know, but I'll give you guys an update about what's going on, maybe when I get a reply back, and we'll talk about it.